Rottweiler. Come on. Yes, this. And it. Empty. This is cool. Okay, if you're new to this channel, hi, I'm Roland. This is my already naked Husqvarna 701, which will become an adventure bike. Now that I got her naked, it's time to order some parts, huh? Okay, parts are ordered. Now comes the hard part, the wait. What do? Let's have a coffee. And this is what you can expect when ordering from Rottweiler. So, let's get tools and have a look inside. PDM60, Power Delivery Management. Nice. Nice. So let's see what we've got here. First of all, Dynojet Power Commander 5. It's custom mapped for my bike. Perfect. I've ordered the version with a switch, so I can switch between different maps. It has 2 maps installed. We'll get back to this later. I will get into detail with all the parts. I will make small installation videos and get into details. IMS Rally Packs. Cool. I wonder which color they have. Because on the internet they say they are not black anymore, but they are pictured in black. I would love to have them in black. No black. Gray. Look more or less like stock, but a lot bigger than the stock ones. The air filter for the Rottweiler air intake. Here, cool. Traytech Voyager Pro. Really looking forward into this device. Stuff is packed very nicely. Everything in separate bags, so nothing gets away. There's the case saver from Vanash Motorsports. It's like Christmas, really. Okay. Another Vanash part. This is the bigger. I don't get the word. It's for the clutch. More fluid for the clutch. What do we have here? Okay, this is for the Vanash brake pedal. There's the rest, I guess. Nice black brake pedal. And the packing is great. Okay, what's this? Another Vanash part, but electric. I guess this is the... Is it the AB? No, I guess it's for the kickstand. so you can start without the kickstand. Some electric down. As I said, I will get into details. I have to search for some English words first because English is not my mother's language. I'm German. So if I'm missing a word from time to time or something's wrong, that's the way it is. Ah, wow. This is the rear brake disc guard and it's massive. Not weight-wise, it's wow. Wow, this is awesome. Ha! That's quality, huh? Rottweiler. What do we have here? Ah, cool. Ha! To keep my beer cool. Thanks, Rottweiler. I will definitely use those. Ha! So there's the map switch for the Power Commander 5. The Omni cruise control. This is for the SAS removal, electronic parts and the Rottweiler plate. This is to protect the rear brake cylinder from stones. Small filter, PC Racing, filter skin. Ah, nice. Even 1, 2, 3 filter skins for the air intake. Ah, this is cool. This is cool. To be honest, I came across Rottweiler because I was searching for Husqvarna 701 adventure boats, and I saw the very nice report they made on the 701 adventure build they made for Tolga from Ride Must Go On. And on the build they had those very cool yellow, they call it, I guess, Tygone hoses. And when I ordered, I asked if they could add those for me too, because I really love the color. It's nothing performance-wise, but it's very cool that that they're included. Rottweiler, if you ever check this video, I don't know. Thanks a lot for this. This is cool. I guess 1, 2, 3, and 4. This is Scott steering damper. At least I think so. I've ordered the complete kit, not only the steering damper. Come on, open up. Nice. There's not only the steering damper included, it's with BRP vibration dampener and stuff, and wow. Oh, this will be so much fun to install. I guess this is Scott. Is it Scott? Is it Smith? No, it's Scott. Of course it's Scott. Forgive me, I'm German. It's Scott! Yes. Oh, yes. Look at this beauty. Well, okay, that's cool. When I ordered this, on the pictures, it was with a small knob here, and I've ordered, there it is. I've ordered the big knob for the Scott's dampener, and it's already installed, so I don't think I will ever need a spare one, but who knows? Better to have two than none. There's a little bit more. Empty, 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 empty. And last but not least, there's a chain guide block from BRP2. Cool! So, that's Rottweiler's happiness box number 1 of 2. The second one will be here, I hope, next week. There are 2 parts that are on back order. They were not able to deliver it right now, but well, those are parts I can add later. It's nothing special, and I've ordered a lot more parts, but in a second order I've placed it 1 week later. So yeah, I will do another. Is it an unboxing? Yeah, I do another unboxing when it arrives. So I would say I will try and yeah, I will get the stuff in the shelf over there, and then slowly start building up. Oh no, wait. Everything's fine. Okay, so I hope I see you guys later when I work on the bike, and yeah, until then.